What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This forex strategy that works on every single pair, man. This is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 of EST on this very same channel. So again, this ain't no clickbait. You can see we're on Euro New Zealand. You can see we got some nice positions caught. We're actually in a position as we speak. You see this is a clear, beautiful, nice 1 to 3 risk reward. There's a beautiful, nice 1 to 3 risk reward here as well. Then we pull up another chart, NAS 100 again. See these beautiful setups. I actually broke these trades down a couple of videos ago, so make sure to check that. There's a couple videos down from this one. I might drop it in the chat though. I mean, the description. We'll see. Right, but again, this is a nice 1 to 3, nice 1 to 4, nice 1 to 2, nice 1 to 4, which basically means whatever we risk, we made 3 to 4 times that amount. Here's another chart, another pair, GP, nice 1 to 3, nice 1 to 4, nice 1 to 4, nice 1 to 2. So again, the risk reward basically is whatever I've made times 3 in this case. So if I risked $100, I would have made $300. If I would have risked $1,000, I would have made $3,000 off this one trade alone. So you can see Euro New Zealand, we also called these trades and broke them down not only during the London session lives, but also sent these out to the members as well, the signal room. So first, let's look at these dates. You can see this is October 3rd, we went to October 4th. Then you see this one was October 7th. So we go here, you can see right here, October 3rd, dates are matching up, right? October 4th, everything's matching up. Then we go to October 7th, everything's matching up. You see the entries as sells, reactions, TPs getting hit, all that good stuff. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16 and 4, giving us the 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now that's how we did last month. Now how we did Q1 to start the year off, we went 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. January we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February we went 17 and 1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March we went 16 and 3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So now we're going to break down Euro New Zealand in this video. We're going to break down how we caught these setups and how you can catch similar setups like I showed y'all on the other charts and pairs as well. So the first thing you got to do is you have to identify the trend. Now again, you need to identify the trend on the bigger time frame, not the smaller time frame. That's where a lot of mistakes come into play, because a lot of y'all try to do everything on a smaller time frame. The smaller time frame only explains and tells you what price is doing at that exact moment, where the bigger time frame explains and tells you the direction price is going overall, and on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So you need to figure out the overall direction price is going overall versus the direction price is going at that exact moment, because just because price is going one way on a smaller time frame at the exact moment does not necessarily mean that that is the trend we are in. Now, if you do not understand how to identify the trend or reversals, make sure to pause this video and watch the one that just popped up on your screen. This one breaks down how to identify reversals, because this is actually a move that we caught, which was a reversal. So what we see right here is we see that we have clear bearish momentum, right? We had a reversal, then the bearish momentum came back into play. But we also see here that price failed to make a lower low here. It actually started to reverse and break previous support levels and previous resistance levels and treat them now as support levels. So now that we see that reversal is coming into play, then we need to see where we're going to want to enter at, which is when we want to mark off our key price levels. Boom. So now that we have our key price levels marked off, this is going to help us know where to enter at and also anticipate the next push or rejection. So now this is when we want to go to the smaller time frame and wait for our confirmations. So when we go to the smaller time frame, again, we was previously in a downtrend, we was previously catching sells, right? And then we saw price reversed, failed to break this lower trend of support, then shot back down, right? So then we caught a nice 1 to 4 short sell here, then a nice 1 to 2. Then after we caught this sell here on that Monday, we see price failed to continue to respect and hold as low as resistance. And this is when the beginning of the reversal came into play. This resistance low is being treated as support again. So now that we see that the reversal is coming into play, we know that if it breaks and holds this level from resistance back as support, this will be the next best spot to look for a buy position and catch the beginning of the reversal or the end of the reversal, beginning of the reversal into the uptrend, trend change. So again, you want to enter buys off support, sells off resistance. So we want to wait to see if price can break and hold this level as support. If it can break and hold that level as support, then that's when we're going to pull the trigger and go for buys. Right? So this one a little bit fast. It's obviously not going to be this fast in real time, but we can see here that price broke this level close and was holding this level as support. So after this candlestick close and a new 5 minute popped up, that's when we pulled the trigger and entered the trade. Okay, so again, since we're going with the flow of price, all we have to do is again just determine where our SL is going to be and our TPs, and then let price do the rest of the work. It's very, very, very simple. So again, we saw price kind of struggled a little bit, hit a couple TPs, retested our support level, went a little bit higher than previously, but still struggling to break this resistance level. But as we see, once it broke this resistance level, start treating that support, and then it shot back up to my next key price point. Now notice how price reacted when it hit this level and how price reacted when it hit this level, which is exactly why we mark off these key price levels. Again, it's not a coincidence that as soon as price tapped this level, it rejected, or as soon as price tapped this level, it rejected and reacted, right? So from this point, we're waiting to see if price can break this next resistance level and treat it as a support, because that's what's needed for the uptrend to continue. So this was the buy setup we caught Thursday and Friday. So coming into the next week on Monday, we caught another buy setup. And again, same thing. Once price broke this level and held that support, as I just saw, if y'all missed that rewind, you'll see this was a red candlestick turned to green. That's when we pulled the trigger and went for the buy here, right? And again, kind of similar, did a nice push, retested the level, went higher than last time. Now we're just simply waiting for volume to kick in. Boom, once volume kicked in, it blew through this next level. And again, it's literally that simple, y'all. It's literally that simple. And again, notice how when it broke this level, it came back to this level. Again, why we have these levels marked off, because we understand how to read the flow of price. You're going with the trend, you're entering buys of support, you're entering sells off resistance, and then you have these key price levels marked off. You literally are not only going with the flow of price, but you're also able to anticipate and be prepared for the next push to the upside in this case, or the next possible rejection or retracement point. Again, notice how each time price hit these levels, it never failed to react or respect it accordingly. Okay, y'all, it's that simple. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signature services, or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.